back on board with new rules. They're heading to Trelawney. Talk about the partnership with Rumbar and how has the brand, pretty much positioned itself within the dancehall space and having to now jump on board with Alkaline once again.
You know when we see man powerful? When the man blood clot, need not to come off our stage. I saw me know the man powerful, the man they call him promoter of our blood clot.
As a nation, remember on the DJ and the cap, remember we do this for real.
Alkaline. You Alkaline, you need to share about the general team.
Cartel face up on the posters and the flyers. The stadium will sell off. The arena will sell off. Remember we don't need crowd. One man, one day. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nandi. I know it's your boss, Nandi and I building with another banging vlog, another hot topic. So we're here to talk about some things in regards to what we see circulating in our media. So we see where Alkaline partnered with Rumbar Rum in sponsorship for his New Rules concert in Trelawney in Jamaica in July. And also we want to talk about a video that we saw where Vybz Kartel posted on his Instagram, and it would seemingly seem like he's sending some shades to Beenie Man, because you know that Beenie Man had his concert in the UBS Arena in the United States and it didn't sold out, and a lot of people were talking about it in the media. It was a big thing also. But in the Vybz Kartel video, it seeming like Vybz Kartel said something as it pertains to a crown. Say him not really need no crown because remember, say him are the one world boss and so forth. So I have a lot of clippings to talk about, and we have a lot of things to really view and share our thoughts on it. So remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. And remember to always interact in the comment section so that YouTube see that the video I get traction and push up the video in the algorithm, and also to help grow the channel. You know it, go man. Let's just jump right into the vlog. So in the first clippings, we see where Alkaline partnered with Rumbar Rum, and it was said that he partnered with them before with a previous concert that he kept in Jamaica. I think it was New Rules 2022. But we see we're in partner with them again, but this time they made the initial effort to really place the brand name on their bottle, which is New Rules July 5th. So good thing for Alkaline, and him make strides out here, and what we want to say is that the youth are really business minded, and him really know how to go to work and knows the art of how to market himself. And also we see where people are say, yo, Alkaline a copy Vybz Kartel, or him a follow Vybz Kartel with the whole rum thing, because you know that Vybz Kartel has his straight vibes rum thing going on. But what I make people know is that this thing is a partnership. It's a whole sponsorship for his upcoming concert in Jamaica, limited edition. It's not nothing we are gonna really be a forever thing where them are go. Who knows? But it's not nothing we are gonna be a forever thing, because remember, it's Rumbar thing. This is Rumbar Rum. There was no changes to the rum, but the whole sponsorship and whole partnership with Alkaline brand and being on the rum itself. So this is a clippings where me gonna play for you so you can get the full understanding of what it really means for partnership and of sponsorship with business people. So listen,
back on board with new rules. They're heading to Trelawney. Talk about the partnership with Rumbar and how has the brand, pretty much positioned itself within the dancehall space and having to now jump on board with Alkaline once again to celebrate, dancehall and just Alkaline being back on home shore performing for fans, etc. Go ahead.
Well, I don't think I could be any more excited than I am now. I mean, Rumbar joined New Rules when we first came out of COVID, when it last was held at the National Stadium in Kingston. And to hear that we're back and on board and supporting them in Trelawney is a big deal for us. Excited to share that we have a specialized bottle coming out, limited edition for the fans. So definitely we're looking to just rolling that out and how we just make a great experience for the fans of Alkaline, for the fans and supporters of Rumbar as we move towards July 5th at Trelawney Multipurpose Stadium.
Let's talk a little bit more about the limited edition. Why did you guys decide to go this route?
Well, I just felt like it was time to strike out in a really big way and show our love and support for dancehall music and dancehall culture.
So yeah, my people, the man himself out here make great strides for himself and I make business move, and it's a good look for him. But Rumbar are one of them rum. I'm not sure you drink still no, but Rumbar are one of them rum that will knock you out tonight. We're mad here. A lot of people have mixed feelings when it comes to Rumbar, but it's still a going with itself and it's still there in the market I do it thing. But on to the next topic, people. So I have these clippings of World Dog with his own recap of what went on at the Suns when Alkaline came onto the stage. And he was stated that Alkaline, I saw him know say Alkaline powerful because when Alkaline came out, the whole demeanor and when the dog touch the stage, it's just a superstar present, a superstar moment. But listen to World Dog and hear his perspective of how things went down.
Bro, Alkaline said, bro, did you know that I watch it for you know? The man said, the man turn up, you know, and the man said, me I watch him, you know. Like the man said, come on now. Nobody know what I'm doing. All the cameraman, the man take off our stage, brother. All the selector, come off. The man said, brother, when we see people on my side, I'm see the Alkaline man, they touch him, man, the man say, yo, lift up. All the promoter, if you tell the man, themself, come off our stage, bro. But did you watch everything, man? The man say, bro. And the people they want to stay there on video. Nobody. All who pay for meet and greet, nobody don't get that to them. The man don't have meet nobody and greet nobody. You know, see, I big like man say, two shot and left with your club. Yo. And then pull up and say, nothing. The man, yo. You have your man for 15. Yo, Chevy man say, who shall run? You know when we see man powerful? When the man blood clot, all blood clot, need off to come off our stage. Yeah, look for you, man. I saw me know the man powerful, the man take all the promoter off our blood clot stage. What you mean? Man play the whole stage, bro. Nobody has time, they run the one. The man a perform and they run both way and have no problem. Everybody have to clear stage. All this time man up there with the woman, you know. And sit here. Yeah, then I can company field. And the woman have to take myself. Yo, he didn't like him. Man didn't like my top dog with the man for the stage, you know. Alkaline said move them. Alkaline said move them blood clot. I watch him man last night, bro. I watch him clean because I second time I see him, because you know I'm not really rip him. So I second time I see him, I look on the dog, bro. The dog, him man not looking at nobody's face. I say man I walk along here. No, you contact him and not give nobody. So if you feel like you call to him and the man see, man even look on you, bro. I say man walk along here.
Some may say Alkaline is not a social person or him don't socialize, but what most people don't really understand is that Alkaline is a superstar and he stick to that superstar lifestyle. And yeah, he's that type of person and he sings in his songs already, say, yo, the Lord pro with a Lord demeanor. So the man different from everybody and him no mix and him no mingle. The real definition of not mixing and not mingling. So whenever you see him, is like you really have to lucky for see him, as him saying in him song also. Say, yo, you have to lucky whenever you see the Lord. So this a man, the man himself, him different dog. And say World Dog, yeah, I remember World Dog's a 6 man, you know, and for hear World Dog come out and I said them thing, yeah, speaks volume for no say, yo, Alkaline is a cut above the rest. Them man are different. Them man, yeah, everything, and a lot of youth will see a pattern, the style. Nobody no really want to be common. Nobody no really want to be, you know, socialized like, you know, the regular folks out there. So Alkaline, I do him thing, and him a the man in him own space, in him own lane, and I do him thing. So big up to Alkaline. So this Vybz Kartel video sparked some form of controversy where he was stating that if you put him on a flyer by himself, him can sell out the arena, him can pack the show. And also he's stating that him no need no crown because him are the world boss and him globally is the biggest thing. So listen to what him have to say in that video, ya people.
Gaza Nation, remember on the DJ and the cap, remember we do this for real. From Cartel face step on the posters and the flyers, the stadium will sell off. The arena will sell off. Remember we don't need crowd. One man, one band. Our book for almost every weekend from now till next year, man. Look for Cartel in a city near you. Or a space there. Remember, nobody know to resize the stadium. I don't know. Remember, we have been world boss from 2008. I know 25, and we up our life, one world boss. The man will sell off the stadium. The man will sell off the arena there. One teacher. Anyway, check me out in a city near you. What this under me knows?
So yeah, my people, let me know what you guys think about that what Vybz Kartel I said, because it sounds like he must shade and he must send shades across the whole board. It not just sound like a one man he must throw shades at. It sounds like the whole tree he must throw. So let me know what you guys think about that, because you know a Vybz Kartel that he will do a lot of stuff or anything to really spark controversy. He's that kind of guy where fully controversy and go controversy at all times. So let me know what you guys think about that. But on to the other topic, people.
I take that time out to big up Rodney Price, aka Bounty Killer, you know.
So I have this clippings here with Nico Fire, and he's stating that Alkaline needs to repost back Bounty Killer Flyer, Bounty Killer concert coming up July 5th in the Barclays Center. And what I want to say is that I don't know how when Nico Fire think Alkaline be. Him think Alkaline is not a post for post, a support for support. Alkaline stated, say, him support who support him, you know. So remember that Bounty Killer posted Alkaline's concert, Sans concert, and he was saying that, yo, him not like a board in a Alkaline, but I feel the culture and so forth. But what them need to understand is Alkaline is not that type of person. This is not no partner thing where me support you and you support me, even though I support for support. But listen when he can fire off and say, and he must say, yo, Alkaline and every other artist needs to repost Bounty Killer concert and help promote it so that it can get sell out and him can get the turnout him need to get. So listen what he must say, people.
People, you see the 5th of July, you know, say a bounty show that at the Barclays Center. You see for June, the whole month of June, we want everybody to give the real general for dancehall, the strength. Every artist, every selector, every dancer, every dancehall patron, the lover of dancehall and the culture and reggae music and dancehall music, make we share out killer poster that at least we can do. Everybody will watch the video. We don't just get the poster and put it on the status. I swear to you, Alkaline, you Alkaline, you need to share about the general team. Every artist in the industry wants to share the man team.
So yeah, my people, and Nico Fire that, you know, one thing with Nico Fire, man, always come out and talk, you know. And some of the time, even when I talk garbage or I talk gibberish, I always spill and spew all sorts of things all time out. So let me know what you think about what I say. If you want to think say Alkaline, I go really post back Bounty Killer Flyer after being disrespected, or I should say shaded in the whole conversation, the whole comments where Bounty Killer made about Alkaline. Let me know what you guys think. But on to the other topic, people. So I came across this video with Ganguly. He's an artist also, and he was saying that Beenie Man is a selfish artist and is a bad mind artist from a longer time. And one thing I would say why I would say he have some accuracy to what I say is because I can remember one time Beenie Man went on stage boldly and said that Alkaline say him not perform for Dirty Jamaica. And in myself, I'm like, does Alkaline really know this man like that, or really talk to him close to close, like friend, for you really come on a stage and say Alkaline say him now perform for Dirty Jamaica? And then we saw where Alkaline came out and addressed the whole thing at his New Rules concert, and also on his Instagram stated that Beenie Man, me don't know you, or you have to tell the people him say me now perform for Dirty Jamaica. May I ever hold the argument there? So listen to what Ganguly have to say about Beenie Man, and boy, a lot of people are share the same thoughts, because I have another video also with another man stated that Beenie Man really bad man and really Beenie Man fight artist. So listen to what Ganguly have to say, people.
That's why I have the audience big up Vybz Kartel, big up Bounty Killer, and big up Sugar Minot. Me don't like artists are selfish. You see when you're a big artist and you get big platform over the world, you must introduce new act. You know, obligated to do it, you know. But because the sake of dancehall and reggae music and Jamaica, you have to introduce new act to the world. You see now what time when the giants them never have no visa, Vybz Kartel they are prison. That's why dancehall did them. There was no replacement, because every man does want to be the man. We have to introduce new act to the world. That means that when full time up, the legacy can carry on, dancehall can live on. Remember, you know, a Ganguly this attack, you know. I remember saying me a big bad artist, you know. And I have my new rhythm where they are road the name Street Code. And I 4 new artists I put on the rhythm. Alongside the big act them. You can't selfish in a life. Remember, me don't get a real run then of music yet, you know. But we get in there, you know. And it's half happening, you know. But you have to help youth, not because me get fight in a life or whatsoever. Me, I go try fight down a youth. I have to help youth. That's why dancehall is stagnant in our time.
So yeah, my people, share your thoughts on that clippings and where Ganguly are saying, because I'm in myself here wondering. Beenie Man went on stage at the UBS and performed, and he big up Bounty Killer, Buju Bant, and Vybz Kartel. A lot of people him big up. But at the same time, this man is out here fighting people. I wonder why, because I have a clippings with him on stage before the concert had finished, when Shano was coming on stage, and Shano got like maybe 5 to 6 minutes of performance. But yet Shano was booked for the show also and him not get to perform in full set. So I made myself wondering why Beenie Man do stuff like this and then him a pull off Shano off his stage and I tell Shano say we gotta go. So listen to what that brother here say people and then me play the video for you know, for see what go on the stage people.
Last night, me up on a live. I watched Beenie Man a perform. And me sit down and me a take in the live. And me see how him a perform and thing. Boy, me have to big him up. You understand? Great performance and everything. You see me? But me see a thing in the video where me no like. You understand what me I say? And me I tell you say even now me I think about it like it come like cold sweater, wash me like, you understand? Because yo, so many times some artists out there want the spotlight, you know. So many times some artists want the spotlight, Bridget. And me I tell you, me sit down upon the live, remember upon the live, me say you see everything while I go on live. You see me? And one point in the video, where Beenie Man I say, I know him alone the boat. She not the boat. And I think me see Mr. G too. You get me I say? Me the man say she not the boat. And me I tell him, I can explain everything when me see her go on. He might fight with that crowd. You see me? He might fight with the crowd like the energy. He want give the crowd the energy. So you don't know he might go on with himself. But right you say in a video where you know say the show go lock off 11 o'clock. You get me I say? She not did it. She no want come up on the stage. I tell her no what me see you know. You see me? Me not bash nobody or them thing them. Me no business who want in the comments concern, but me I tell her say some of the time the youth they want the spotlight. Me I tell her say when the thing reach way down to 11 o'clock one time. Cause it's around 2 minutes to 11 one time. It come like a close the man a close out issue you know. You see me? I tell her say when I hear you don't know when show done and the artist them want tell her say yo thanks say if you come out can support her them thing there. And then some years she you know I say yo 2 times. And then cause I wanna be in him and ready my play you know. And then she you know walk out and say yo tell them you want a meal for share with me and my friend them. My friend and the crowd them start to get up you know and start to rail. By that the man jump in and say yeah man people so you know, we just want to give a big thanks to, you see me? And the man want peace out, you know. And same time the man goes up and say, yo, I'm me alone in the dark room. And when the hear stadium get up, Lord God, and the man come again, thank you the people for come out and me I say, yo, believe me, me say if you cut me, you don't see a blood. If you cut me, you don't see a blood. Because the end of the day, brethren, if the artist did it and the artist want peace I show you know say the artist did it because you say you want to you alone did it. Give the man peace I show no man. Give the man even when he reads 5 minutes man. Shout on the man, make the man come perform in song no man. All when time the last less than a minute you know. Around 30 seconds you know you hear when me tell you the man come out. When the man say want a meal for share with him and him friend them. The man have to jump off of that by man say him alone in a dark room. I be in him man again. Yeah, people, so you don't know, we have to close out the show you know, because you don't know we not really want in a problem or where. Brother, me I tell you say, me know say the youth feel away in himself. Me know the youth feel away in himself, brethren. Believe me, I tell you say me feel bad me upon the life because me I say yo, just imagine an artist did it. Want people if you hear him, brethren, you know that don't look good if you come out can deal with the thing and then 2 toes. Maybe somebody say, yo, you know, me love how she perform.
Yeah, my people, now I'm going to play the video for you so you guys can see the whole scenario and what went down on stage with Beenie Man and Shano. So watch this clippings, people.
I want to give yourself a round of applause for being a lovely audience. Come on. And I will see you again very soon because we gotta go. We gotta go. But before I go, I gotta call Shane now. You because don't let no more come for share with me. I'm a friend. I might be something. Everybody sing. Right no more come for share with me. Let's get off with it. What? Let's get off with it. Take it off. Speak up. Me a head in the dark room. I mean, now nobody to talk to. What's the something like before we leave? You will be a Sarina the first time. You know what I'm going on. Shane on.
I love you all people, but we gotta go. Can I see everybody wave your hand in the air? I love you. I don't want to take me off of the stage. Let's all do this, please. All right, I want you to take you to that.
Now, after watching this clipping, I definitely come to the conclusion, and I'm fully convinced that Beenie Man is definitely a corrupted person and is selfish. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, because in the whole set, this man said the show are done, and yet still he performed. He sang 2 more songs after Shano. So this definitely solidified the whole aspect of saying that Beenie Man is a bad-minded artist and him selfish and corrupt. But you guys let me know what you guys think about that clippings, people. So I have these clippings with this brother here, him named Sonny G, and he's repping the genocide, the one side camp, and he's asking the Vendetta fans some question in regards to the Masicka and the Alkaline clash. He's asking that if Alkaline wants a clash with Masicka, why him first not throw the first shot and make we see what go on if Masicka ga run out, and if Masicka na run out, we can say yeah, him a coward, because a lot of people in our media say Masicka afraid of Alkaline or him coward, him no want, him no want go up against a man like Alkaline because him afraid. So listen to what Sonny G as a people and tell me if you want to share the same sentiments to what him say, or if you want to share a different sentiments. But listen to what him say, people.
So I'm going to make a statement and I'm going to ask a question to Vendetta fans right now, isn't it? Where Imam Masicka is concerned. Listen me now, Vendetta fans, I'm going to say, he don't have a bigger fan base than genocide right now. But genocide is growing rapidly. And them just the same. You see me I say? So me I say, yeah, I have that. But in the dance hall right now, the current, if nobody talk about yo, the space of dance hall, I could separate, I could take out Vybz Kartel out of this. Everybody talk about the space of dance hall and the man who agree with the song them. I mean, no Vendetta fans them can't agree with this. You can't go around this. I'm asking the man who agree with the song them with the people them like, with the streets like. Whether or not you want to like it, the selector them the streets, and Masicka give the song them on the street like. So right now, Masicka would have been the front runner for dancehall right now. And the man where the go-to man. And the man where I go give you the look in. And the man, Masicka the man right now, when the collab them drop, them are going to soar to one whole heap of numbers and them are going to hot. You see me like the Shensia it and run them. Masicka the man right now. Or 16, 17, 18 did the Alki, but Alki let go the button there, quick and fast. I don't know if him feel like he elevate over that. You see me? Could be that. Because him catalog big, fan base big. But what I say? I must got the man in a dancer right now. And Vendetta fans are push this narrative to a G and the G for war. So I say, even though I'm in the war thing and whatever, but let's say them for war. You don't feel like a Masicka. You don't feel like a Vendetta to come out and come chew him word directly at the genocide boss. And then, if the genocide boss run funny to no can cuss him and say him coward if him choose to answer him answer. You know what I mean? But what I say now, Masicka are the man in the forefront. So if an artist want back a spotlight, that's in a dancer, and I say clash, I him for call Masicka name. So tag an artist and tell an artist this dog. And we tired of subliminal foolishness or people are speculate. If not this in a go on some direct this in if genocide wants then him answer, but the subliminal business we don't work with. We want some direct shot. And as I say, I Masicka the man at the forefront of dancehall. We need to add Vybz Kartel in this, because Vybz Kartel thing up on a whole different level. You see me? I Masicka do this about 4 years now, consecutively. Whether you want to agree or agree not. And as I say again, that time I have a bigger fan base. But the dog thing are growing rapidly for theme thing right now. And again, a Masicka, they are the forefront of the young school right now. You see me? So, Maladan TV, what you say? Tell an artist this the dog no man. Blink, tell an artist this the dog no man, and the fans them tell them for this the dog man. And if the dog no answer them, no can go farm one whole different story. But at the end of the day, you don't know me. I go say, genocide feel like he not see a space and he don't need to war with nobody. So the dog also have that to run with too. But if you say a war for go on, tell an artist this the dog directly.
Viewers and subscribers, gonna think the clash will hurry up and start because over the years we see both artists are show subliminal shots at each other, you know. And at one point we see where Alkaline release a song called Open My Brain, and it was openly, it would seem like a little more direct but not too direct. But gonna think the artists them really need to go at it because remember say Clash build the artists them, you know, like Lupa Movad and Vybz Kartel, it build them tremendously. So not wanna think, let me know what you think in the comment section. If you think say yo, a full time now for the artists them go direct. And we see where Masicka drop a song called Mute tonight, and it would seem it sound like say yo, he must send shades to Alkaline. Also, who knows? But you know, Alkaline did sing a song called Chat Him Out, get put by mute. So me don't know something about the two songs them are correlate together. Me don't know if them are go to each other or whatever. But you guys let me know in the comment section what you think. And this is the end of the vlog. Let me know what you guys think. You know, Vibes and Insight Winanda. Wait another vlog, another banging episode. You know it go. I'm out. Peace.